What are your thoughts on AI? Now that we're replacing people for a people
People
first person.
people will never be fully replaced by AI.
Okay.
That is my belief. People will never be fully replaced by AI. If people are going to be replaced by AI, it is because they choose not to embrace it
Yeah.
and they
Tell
choose
that to
not to use it.
Terminator
I
and
know,
the
right?
Matrix and no, I'm just kidding.
I
iRobot.
know. My husband was just telling me he just listened to an audiobook the other day and he's like, it's going to replace us. And I'm like, only if you let it.
Yeah.
Um, there, and AI cannot look at the people in the room and see how things are being impacted.
Mm.
An AI can't do that. Somebody still has to tell the AI how to do things
Yeah.
or what needs to be done. We might not have to tell it how to do it, but we still need to tell it, this is broken and needs to be fixed.
Yeah.
So, and it can't sit in a room and talk to somebody and listen to why their life has gone downhill and how that down spiral is impacting their business. AI can't do that
Mm.
and help them build that back up. So AI is never going to fully replace us. AI does make life a whole lot easier.
Mm.
I was using AI to build automations before I ever started using ChatGPT.
Mm.
I just, I don't know. I wasn't aware enough to know it was AI at the time.
Yeah, I mean, these algorithms and AI has really been
Yeah.
around for a long time.
Yeah.
It just they opened it up
Yep.
and open sourced it, and now we're just the Pandora's box is open,
It is. It is.
and we're all feeding it.
We are.
Everyone is feeding it, and it's
We are.
growing. And it's growing so fast that no one can keep up.
Yep.
And so I have concerns about all of it. To be transparent with you, I use it and I'm an advocate for it
Mm-hmm.
because it makes my life easier in a lot of ways. But I see where trends are going, and I'm
Yeah.
like, put Pandora back in the box. But I don't know if we can do that.
It's like anything, though, right? Anything that can be used for good can be used for bad.
Oh, 100%.
And it just depends on what we do with it and how we use it. And there has to be responsibility with AI.
Oh yeah, 1,000%.
And I have friends that are published authors and they're like, I never gave AI permission to use my books to train things. I'm like, dude, your book's on the internet. It's free source for AI.
Yeah,
But my theory is if you don't want it to be used, don't put it online.
true. That's true. What are your
And
thoughts on like the future of project management and how that's going to integrate and fit in?
I think just like everything else, people are going to have to learn how to merge the two. I mean, a project manager's ultimate job is removing blockers
Mm.
to make the work easier for a team to do the work.
So for a company that was maybe slow to adapt or resistor, what would you say to that company?
I think it depends on where they are and what they need to do. I mean, there's AI can't do everything. And I mean, AI doesn't have, I mean, my husband's company, for example, he's a contractor. He does construction work.
Mm-hmm.
There's not really much of a place for AI in that.
Till they bring those physical robots out
Right?
there. Till Tesla brings those real robots
I
out there.
know. Well, and when they bring those real life human robots, then that'll be great because the contractors who are beating their bodies up and are like, I can't keep doing this. Those blue collar workers can be like, well, now I just got to sit here and drive the machine. But again, you have to learn to do it right.
Yeah. No, I see it going like I can imagine someone like a robot on my roof, like doing my roof, and
Uh-huh.
like I don't know, just
I
all the
wonder. I
all
wonder
the
if
jobs.
I wonder if that would make insurance less expensive or more expensive because a robot can't sue you, but a robot's pretty expensive to replace.
I don't know, but imagine that because I think Tesla was talking about, if I remember correctly, hearing something, it was like $30,000 to $40,000 is what they're trying to accomplish as far as like everybody having a robot, like everybody owning a robot.
I'm a long way from being willing to spend $30,000 to have a robot in my house.
Oh, I would totally spend 30,000. Let me tell you something. To have C3PO, okay, walking around fixing stuff, cleaning my house, vacuuming, doing everything. We already got the with the Roomba. Okay, get rid of the Roomba. It's gonna be vacuuming. It's gonna be cleaning my windows, doing my roof.
Oh, see, my husband says that's what I'm for.
What?